Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is a little more work we're doing to make sure this thing does not have another vacuum leak when we try to fire it up this weekend. This little critter right here, me and Lars was standing here talking the other day, and he goes, "That looks like some homemade crap." And then I got to remembering those little blowers that goes on, those little 2.8s that come from that place, was made as direct replacements. You just pop your intake off, take the carburetor off of it, put that blower down on there, and set the carburetor back on top of it. That's what those wider holes were for. So somebody has made this, and upon further investigation on my part today, it wobbles a little bit, so potential for, air leak. But let me kind of show you if I can get a picture of it from the back here. Well, yeah, the light's gonna bleed it out. But you can see the striations from where this thing was extruded. Nobody milled the bottom of this and made sure it was perfectly flat. So what we're gonna do is I got some 80 grit sandpaper here. We're going to take it and set it on there, and we're going to sand her till she's perfectly level on the bottom. Then I got some 180 here, and we're going to turn her sideways and go back and forth this way. Like this. And hopefully that thing will be flat, because when you set it down, it rocks. But there it is, you can hear it. So we're gonna get that high spot. Evidently it's got a high spot right in the middle. So hang on, let's get that done. You can see still how it's dirty right here, right here. This is high. Getting closer. I had to do this to the Blazer, the housing for the carburetor, that 4-barrel on that Blazer right there. And it was the same way straight from the factory. It just wouldn't sit flat, and I was making the gaskets left and right for that thing. We're almost there. We still got a low spot here, low spot here, low spot here. It's still higher than the middle. All right, this might take a few minutes. Still going.
If y'all notice how the sound changed, though,
Yeah,
it's starting to get flatter. It ain't.
yeah. We just got a little bit to go. All right, so we got a 220. We done her 80 grit. Here's how she turned out there. Still got a little stain in here, but the rest of it's all cleaned up. So now, let's hope this is 180. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. Yep. A little bit on this side.
Teamwork.
Exactly. Yeah. Now we're getting to the bottom of the situation. Yeah. All right, let's flip her this way. I'll get it. No, y'all can't see it, but it's still low right in here. But we're getting this side out. We're getting closer. We're getting closer.
I've been holding this with my finger for 3 damn days. Ugh. When we started this, I didn't even have a beard.
Exactly.
It's gotten bad. Send help.
All right, I'm sure that camera's not picking it up, but we still got a little bit of a spot right there that didn't clear exactly up, but she's flat. So now all I need to do is take this and clean up these sharp edges real quick. While we're doing that, then might as well do this one. All right. There. Look at that. Well, just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it, man. All right, so one more little problem solved before it becomes a problem, right? But yeah, that somebody made that thing because the holes in it's for a 5/16 bolt, and they ended up putting quarter inch bolts in it, and that's why it's stripped out. So hey, hopefully tomorrow, if the winds don't blow us away tonight, we will be putting that thing back together, and then we'll throw up a video, probably a premiere Sunday, so everybody can see us put it together, fire it back up, and hopefully we can adjust the carburetor and have it all done and on to the little trash truck, on to the little Blazer and the transmission issue.
Yeah, buddy.
So y'all have a great one. We'll see you probably Sunday on another video. I'll be in John's live here in a little bit if he's having one tonight. Y'all take care. Family home and safe. We'll see y'all on the next one.